Alright, so we're adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. This is part 3 of that. This is the sort of the hardest version we might look at. Now here we have 3 on x minus 6 minus 2 on x plus 2. So we've got these denominators are more complex. But same rules always apply. We still want our denominators to be the same. And we do that by multiplying the bottom of the one fraction by the other fraction. So if I want to make this fraction the same as this fraction, or the denominator is the same, I take x minus 6 and I multiply it by all of that, x plus 2. Alright, and I'm going to subtract, and the same thing's going to happen here. Now, it doesn't matter which order I multiply them in, x minus 6 times x plus 2. But what I now have are denominators that are the same. Now, when I do that, I have to multiply the top by the same thing. So in this case, I multiplied the bottom by x plus 2. So I have to multiply the top by x plus 2. 3 times x plus 2. And the bottom has been multiplied by x minus 6. So I have to multiply the top by x minus 6. Okay, what that's going to give me is the whole thing. No need to expand the bottom. That would just make our life a little more difficult. And then it's 3 bracket x plus 2 minus 2 bracket x minus 6. Now I can expand this top, so 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Now careful here. This is minus 2 times x, minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 6, positive 12. All of that is still over our denominator. And then, group-like terms, 3x minus 2x is just x, and 6 plus 12 is positive 18. All over x minus 6, x plus 2. Alright, that's as hard as these questions really should get. That's adding and subtracting algebraic fractions, part 3.